Excellent. Go ahead, flip on over. Yes, the team gets adjusted to on a regular basis. In fact, we wouldn't ask you to do anything that we're not regularly doing ourselves. And how long does an adjustment really take? Typically, appointments are 5 to 10 minutes, but that's like from the time you walk into the door to you're on a table. The adjustment itself is like 30 seconds. Even when I adjust my kids, actually an adult too, shouldn't take more than 2 minutes depending on what we adjust. It's fast, it's easy. Remember, you're not here for a spa treatment. You're here for an upgrade to your nervous system.